Nagmando si President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa Kongreso ng hatagan sang prayoridad ang pagpasar sang apat ka mga hagna lakip na ang pagdumili sa political dynasty. Suno kay Palace Press Officer Atty Castro, yari ang mga legislative measures nga dapat tutukan sang Kongreso suno sa Presidente. Una, Anti-dynasty bill. Ikaduha, Independent People's Commission Act. Ikatatlo, Party List System Reform Act. Ikaapat, Citizens Access and Disclosure of Expenditures for National Accountability o Kadena Act. Ginhatag ang mando sa Kamara kag Senado kadungan sang meeting sang Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council kon Ledac kaina sang aga. Yara sa mga meeting sa Senate President Vicente Sotto III, House Speaker Faustino Dy III, Majority Leader Sandro Marcos kag iban pa nga congressional leaders.
The President directed Congress to prioritize the following proposed legislative measures: Anti-dynasty bill, Independent People's Commission Act, Party List System Reform Act, Citizens Access and Disclosure of Expenditures for National Accountability or Kadena Act, to institutionalize transparency and accountability on public finance. In a Ledac meeting this morning, the President also instructed both houses to take a closer look at the four bills and prioritize the passage as soon as possible. The Ledac also agreed on the timeliness, or rather timelines, for the passage of the General Appropriations Bill and the submission of the enrolled bill for the President's signature.